the weather was resistant to modeling, as we still know, and that may be because of one phenomenon called chaos, which says that if you can't model exactly the initial conditions, you're going to get large errors after some small amount of time. So I don't know if that was a coherent answer to your question, but modeling is a difficult thing, indeed.
It's kind of a follow-up to the last question. I found this talk to be very interesting, but I'm not sure what to take away from it. And so do you view this as a field where there will be accepted truths that move society forward, or more of a field like economics where there are a bunch of people arguing with each other?
I'm hoping for the former. I think it's a young field, and there's actually an offshoot of it now called complexity economics that is a very hot area of economics that I'm hoping is going to be more successful than traditional economics. But I guess what I wanted you to take away from this is that there are things coming out of complex system science that are kind of changing our view of phenomena, and to stay tuned. We don't have any answers yet, but we have a lot of interesting phenomena that people, I guess, aren't generally aware of, that I think are going to have a big impact on how we think about science and how we think about, some of these big problems.
I'm listening to this program. I work at Emmanuel Hospital, and I've been there 30 years, and I've watched buildings get put up with, from the top down, people that really don't work there make the plan mostly. But I just was recently involved in there's a new tower going to be built, and they asked everyone to come together as a group, and we spent a week with the architects having to do these silly little things and really making our brain work. And this group, the architects, will not work with us unless they will do this program. I mean, I see the architects as the hub, and that they're beginning. It made sense to me after I heard this that they're trying to get information in, and then they're going to take this information after spending 4 months of talking to people and gathering information before they make the hospital, before they build it. And to me, that was an example of coming together as the hub that's different and new than we've never done before. It's always been the president kind of makes a lot of the decisions top down. Yeah. But they're really doing it as all bringing the cleaning lady was there.